everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you are new here, I definitely want to welcome you to my channel. But if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, I am so glad you guys have made it back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, I thank you guys so much for joining the family and for just watching me do hair tutorials, which is something that I really enjoy a lot. Today, I will be telling you guys about Geneva, which is what I'm wearing right now. I have her in a number 2, and I ordered her from samsbeauty.com, and I paid $53 plus shipping and handling. And the wig came in about 3 to 5 business days. So I really want you guys to notice the texture of this unit. It's very realistic. It has that African American, like, blown out texture. It feels like a light yaki mixture a little bit. And because of that, it doesn't have this like tangling and shedding going on. I haven't experienced any of that at all. And I did pluck the hairline a little bit, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like up close. I did go in and pluck out some of the hairs, and I laid my baby hairs down with Gots to Be, which is my favorite one in the black tube. And then I used the yellow freeze spray, and then I also used this even what is this, the tinted lace in a color light beige, which I mean, I think it looks okay on camera, but in person I think it's too light. I probably should have got a darker color. And so the way I fixed that is that I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 312. And that's pretty much it. This unit is, like I said, one of Outre's perfect hairline collections. So it is a 13x6 unit, which means you're going to get lace from ear to ear. And then the 6 inches part is just the part that's on the crown, like from your hairline to the middle part of your head. And I do want you guys to know that I have this wig on a little bit crooked, so I was able to establish a deeper side part because I have more of it going this way versus that way. I hope that makes sense. And it is heat friendly up to 400 degrees. I actually did use heat on it. I used my little, what do you call this, flat iron to just curl my baby hairs down first. And then I used my hot comb to press my hair down, and that's it. I didn't even use a wax stick to create this look. I literally just used the Gots to Be gel and the freeze spray to make it slick down like this. But anyway, I do want you guys to see a 360. I'm 5 feet tall. So I hope you guys can see how far down it comes on me. But yeah, I like it a lot. It has these nice pretty little barrel curls throughout. They're not like overwhelming or anything, and it feels really good. Like, this wig is so gorgeous. I highly recommend you guys go out and get this wig if you can. I know at one point it was completely sold out and you couldn't find it anywhere, but if you guys can get this unit, go ahead and get it because it's a realistic, like, everyday wig, and you're not, you know, you're gonna look good in it. I think most people who wear this wig will look really, really pretty in it. So I think that's all I have to say right now. I do thank you guys so much for tuning in, and please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.